Hello, welcome to our channel. Did you know that crystals can aid in the healing of various areas of our lives? These minerals have been used for millennia to promote physical, emotional, and spiritual balance and well-being. Fluorite is a stone with remarkable healing properties, similar to amethyst, which acts on the purification and release of energies throughout the body. Its various colors represent the essence of various healing stones, providing a deep harmony between body and soul. When using fluorite, you may notice an increase in love and relationships, as well as an enhancement in concentration and mental clarity. In meditations, it promotes deep relaxation and a warm embrace. When placed on the third eye and solar plexus, fluorite releases its energies, relieving radiations and unblocking paths for our desires and a deeper exploration of the soul. In addition to offering protection against evil influences, it is also effective in enhancing the effects of other stones when used together. Fluorite is associated with the sign of Pisces, reflecting its connection to intuition and spirituality. The main chakra related to this stone is the throat chakra, which influences communication and personal expression. Ruled by the planet Jupiter, fluorite is known for its expansive and beneficial properties, favoring personal growth and wisdom. Fluorite is known to combat mental disorders and promote spiritual awakening, increasing personal radiance and sexual appetite. It also helps ward off envy and protects against black magic and suicidal thoughts. Its effects include, in therapeutic terms, fluorite is beneficial for the health of teeth and bones, assisting in the healing of tumors and in the treatment of conditions such as arthritis, rheumatism, and spine problems. In addition, it contributes to skin health, helping to maintain its elasticity and vitality. Fluorite combines well with stones like calcite and pyrite, enhancing their effects. Fluorite water, with its regenerative properties, is useful for kidney and liver health, as well as assisting in hormonal balance and maintaining the flexibility of the skin and body throughout life. If you want to continue following our series and discover all the secrets of healing crystals, don't forget to subscribe to the Divine Path 3333 channel and activate the bell to receive notifications of upcoming videos. Leave your like, share with your friends, and leave a comment below saying which crystal you would like to know more about. Your feedback is very important to us and helps us create even better content. Until the next video, where we will continue our journey through the wonderful crystals that can transform your life.